In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a Canva presentation on WhatsApp. So this is actually very easy. Now you can do this on Canva on the computer or Canva on the mobile. I'm assuming though, if you want to send it to WhatsApp, you're probably on the mobile version. If you are on the computer though, just follow along. It will be the exact same thing. You're just going to have to use WhatsApp Web instead. So what you need to do is open up the Canva app and find your presentation. So mine is in my recent designs. So here is a presentation on YouTube growth. Now once you've got this presentation here, you want to click on the download button in the top right hand corner. That is the button with the arrow pointing up in the very top right hand corner. Here you can go ahead and then either get a share link, and you can share a view only link essentially. This will give you a view only link that you can share with somebody else on WhatsApp, and they'll be able to then view the presentation. But if you actually wanted to send it, you can go ahead and click on download. Then choose your file type and make sure that it is PPTX. That's going to be the PowerPoint file type. Select the pages, then click download. It's then going to prepare your design, and it should download it. Once you've clicked on download and it downloads it, you then need to click on save to files right at the bottom here. Once you've done that, you can choose the file location and change the name at the bottom. I'm going to keep it on my iPhone, and we'll just keep it Blue Minimalist Group Project. Now you've got that file saved, you can go ahead and open WhatsApp. Inside of WhatsApp, find the person you want to send it to, then click on the plus icon in the bottom left hand corner, then click on document. Then choose from files, and here you can now see your file. As you can see, we've got the PowerPoint presentation, which you can go ahead and click on. You can then click open, and then it will upload that file. For some reason, we are in a PDF format. Maybe I didn't download it in the correct format, but make sure you download it in the PowerPoint format, and then you can send it over via WhatsApp. And there you go. That's how you would do it. I hope that helped.